Welcome to Nora's place. Ever wondered how wall art is made? It's not just a bunch of paint splashed on a canvas, it's a calculated masterpiece. Let's think of wall art as a sumptuous feast for the eyes, and just like a culinary delight, each ingredient matters. From the canvas, which is our platter, to the paints, our flavors, and the brushes, our utensils. Each component plays a significant role in the creation of these captivating visual treats. So why is wall art so intriguing, you ask? Well, it's because of the mystery that shrouds its creation. The process is akin to a secret recipe passed down through generations, each artist adding their unique touch, their signature spice, if you will, to the mix. It's a symphony of colors, thoughts, and emotions, all harmoniously merging to form one breathtaking spectacle. So, are you ready to dive into the world of wall art creation? Buckle up, it's going to be a colorful ride. Scene script. Like any good chef, a wall artist needs their ingredients. In this case, the ingredients are your art supplies. Now, what might these be, you ask? Well, let's dive in. First off, you'll need paintbrushes. But not just any paintbrushes, mind you. Quality is key. A good paintbrush is like a magic wand in the hands of a wizard, turning plain walls into magical realms. Next up, paints. Think of these as your spices, adding flavor and zest to your artwork. Again, quality matters. The better the paint, the brighter your masterpiece will be. Then we have stencils and masking tape. Stencils are like your secret recipe, helping you create intricate designs with ease. Masking tape, on the other hand, is your trusty sidekick, ensuring clean lines and precision. And there you have it, your essential toolkit for creating wall art. Once you've gathered your tools, it's time to prepare the canvas. And no, we're not talking about stretching a piece of cloth over a wooden frame. In the world of wall art, any wall is a canvas. But first, we need to prepare it. So let's get down to business, shall we? You see, the state of your wall can either make or break your artwork. It's like a first date. You want to put your best foot forward. The first step is cleaning. Yes, you heard it right, mate. You're not just an artist, you're also a cleaner. Wipe down that wall with a damp cloth to get rid of dust and cobwebs. They aren't exactly the creative companions you're looking for. Now let's get that wall as smooth as a baby's bottom. Sanding is key here. You wouldn't want your masterpiece to have the texture of a crocodile's skin, would you? And finally, we might need to apply a base coat. This step is like the undergarment of wall art. It's not always seen, but it can greatly affect the final look. Now that the canvas is ready, it's time to sketch out your masterpiece. Before any color touches our wall, we must sketch. It's like planning your route before a road trip. The world of wall art begins with the humble sketch. This is the skeleton, the blueprint of your artistic vision. Now, why is sketching so important, you ask? Well, it's all about control. Sketching is like having a map in an unfamiliar city. It guides you, keeps you on track, and prevents from any artistic mishaps. There are numerous techniques to transfer your design onto the wall. You could use the grid method, where the wall and the design are divided into identical grids. Then, it's just a matter of copying the design, one grid at a time. Or you could use a projector to cast your design onto the wall, leaving you to just trace the outlines. Each technique has its own charm and challenges, but they all lead to the same goal: a perfect sketch. With the sketch done, it's time to bring color into the picture. Now comes the most exciting part: painting. This is where you breathe life into your sketch. You've got your canvas ready, your sketch laid out, and now it's time to make it all come alive with color. Start by choosing your colors. Just like a chef choosing the right ingredients, this step is crucial. You might be asking, how do I choose the right colors? Well, think about the mood you want to set. Cool blues for tranquility, vibrant reds for passion, or maybe a mix of everything for a bit of whimsy. Next, mix your paints. Don't be afraid to get messy here. Mixing paints is like making a cocktail. You've got to find that perfect balance. Once you've got your colors ready, it's time to apply them to the canvas. Here's where patience and precision come into play. Each brush stroke is a testament to your creativity. Take your time, let the colors dance across the canvas, and voila, you've just created your very own wall art. But remember, practice makes perfect. So there you have it. The process of creating wall art broken down into easy, digestible steps. We started by gathering all our essentials, preparing the canvas, and then diving into the art of sketching. But the magic truly began when we started painting our masterpiece. Each step integral and contributing to the final outcome. So, next time you admire a piece of wall art, remember the journey it took to get there. And who knows, you might just be inspired to create your own masterpiece.